Okay, sorry for that glitches. Let me ask you this. If you look back at your finances in 2025, did they move your business forward or expose the gaps you didn't want to admit? Today, I'm breaking down the real financial lessons Nigerian small and medium enterprises learned this year. What worked, what failed, and how you can avoid repeating the same costly mistakes. Welcome everyone. Today we are looking back at 2025, the financial wins, the mistakes, and the hard lessons many Nigerian small businesses learned the tough way. If you run a tech startup, an e-commerce branch, a private clinic, a school, an business, a real estate company, or a professional service firm, this breakdown will help you avoid the pitfalls others faced and repeat the strategies that actually delivered results. Number one, let's look at cash flow. Of course, cash flow is still the boss. 2025 reminds us that revenue doesn't keep a business alive. Cash flow does. Many small and medium enterprises made sales, but their cash never caught up because customers delayed payments, expenses rose faster than revenue, owners didn't track inflows and outflows, too much money got stuck in inventory. The winners were the businesses that treated cash flow like a weekly dashboard, not a once in a year review. If your business survived or grew in 2025, it's probably because you paid attention to the cash movement, not just the turnover or the revenue. Number two, record keeping saved businesses. Poor records destroyed others. Businesses with clean records had smoother audits, faster loan approvals, and fewer compliance problems. Those who ignored bookkeeping spent 2025 scrabbling for receipts, guessing expenses, and overpaying taxes simply because their numbers weren't tidy. The lesson: good record keeping isn't for accountants, it is for survivor. Number three, pricing mistakes hit many small and medium enterprises hard. Pricing mistakes hit many SMEs hard. A major lesson from 2025: most SMEs underpriced themselves. Costs went up: fuel, logistics, staff, materials. But many businesses didn't adjust their pricing structure. The result: high revenue, low margins, and silent losses. The businesses that did well received cost per product, profit margins, overheads, break-even points. They priced based on data, not emotion. Number four, the tax authorities got stricter. 2025 brought tighter enforcement from Federal Inland Revenue Service, State Internal Revenue Services, and other regulators. Many small and medium enterprises faced penalties because they missed deadlines, filed incorrect returns, mixed personal and business expenses, didn't prepare year-round reports. Businesses with a dedicated accounting system stayed compliant effortlessly. The lesson: compliance is cheaper than penalty fees. Number 5, technology adoption was a game changer. Cloud accounting tools, POS systems, inventory apps, and digital payment systems help the smarter small and medium enterprises improve accuracy and decision making. Manual processes slowed others down. Manual processes slowed others down. Some couldn't track stock, cash, or expenses. 2025 rewarded businesses that automated, not the ones that relied on memory or paper files. Number 6, budgeting and forecasting became non-negotiable. The best performing businesses in 2025 didn't wait for surprises. They planned, they created budgets, monitored monthly performance, adjusted strategy early, and managed costs with discipline. The companies that struggled were those working without forecast, basically driving blind. And number 7, which is the last one and not the least, profit didn't always equal growth. Plenty of small and medium enterprises made profits on paper but lacked the structure to scale. Why? No financial controls, no accounting system, no tax planning, no cash reserve, no reinvestment strategy. 2025 showed us that profit alone won't carry you to the next level. Structure will. What didn't work in 2025? What didn't work in 2025? Rapid decisions without numbers didn't work in 2025. Mixing business and personal funds didn't work in 2025. Running expenses without oversight didn't work in 2025. Ignoring tax planning didn't work in 2025. Delaying bookkeeping didn't work in 2025. Hiring unqualified accountants didn't work in 2025. Operating without internal controls didn't work in 2025. These mistakes cost small and medium enterprises money, peace of mind, and opportunities. What worked well in 2025? Monthly bookkeeping worked well in 2025. Cash flow tracking worked well in 2025. Budgeting and forecasting worked well in 2025. Timely tax compliance worked well in 2025. Digital record keeping worked well in 2025. Regular financial reviews worked well in 2025. Hiring professional accountants worked well in 2025. The businesses that adopted the businesses that adopted the above saw stability, growth, and fast surprises. May I tell you at this time that in 2026 you cannot afford to make all the mistakes we mentioned, but you better adopt what worked well and ensure that it work well for your business. If you are serious about building a financially healthy business in 2026, start with structure, proper books, clear numbers, compliance, and sound financial planning. If you need help setting that up for your business, we are here to make the process simple and stress-free. Let's move your business into the new year with confidence. And if all this has given you a good insight, why don't you share it with fellow small business, fellow entrepreneurs, fellow businessmen, men and women like you? And also follow us if you are coming across our video for the very first time. And please, we are waiting at the comment section for your questions. If peradventure you are watching us on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell. And of course, anytime we have a new video, you always see it to watch it. Until I come your way again, I wish you